In the turbulent waters of the Baltic Sea, where shadows of modern threats loom large, the Russian Navy once again demonstrated its unmatched defensive prowess. On April 22, 2026, the crew of the small missile ship Zelony Dol, Project 21631 Buyan-M class, turned a high-stakes training exercise into a masterclass of precision engineering and combat readiness. At the heart of their triumph stood the legendary AK-630M-2 rapid-fire artillery mount, a twin-barreled marvel of Russian design that shredded simulated aerial threats with devastating efficiency. This is not just another exercise. This is proof of why Russia's naval forces remain a formidable shield against any adversary. Dawn broke over the Baltic with the Zelony Dol slicing through choppy waves, her sleek, stealth-optimized hull cutting a silent path. Designed for river-to-sea operations yet packed with ocean-going firepower, this Buyan-M Corvette carries a deadly arsenal. Caliber cruise missiles for long-range strikes, the powerful A-190 naval gun, and, crucially, two AK-630M-2 duet, close-in weapon systems. These are no ordinary guns. Each AK-630M-2 mounts two 6-barrel AO-18 30mm rotary cannons, delivering a blistering combined rate of fire of up to 10,000 rounds per minute. That's 10,000 high-velocity projectiles per minute, a storm of steel capable of turning incoming missiles, drones, or low-flying aircraft into scrap metal before they can close the distance. The exercise began with the crew conducting a full spectrum of air defense drills. Mock enemy unmanned boats approached, simulating a swarm attack, the kind of asymmetric threat increasingly common in today's contested seas. To mimic low-flying drones and aerial incursions, illuminating artillery shells lit up the sky, creating realistic moving targets at varying altitudes and speeds. Radar operators on the Zelony Dol locked on instantly. The ship's integrated fire control system fed precise data to the AK-630M-2, range, velocity, trajectory. No hesitation. The mount, operated by just a single crew member thanks to its fully automated design, pivoted with lightning speed. Then came the roar. The AK-630M-2 erupted in a thunderous hail of fire. Twin barrels spinning at incredible velocity, the system unleashed a wall of 30mm shells, each one a high-explosive tracer round engineered for maximum lethality. Effective against aerial targets out to 4 km and surface threats to 5 km, the duet variant excels where others falter. Its digital precision guidance drives eliminate the mechanical lag of older systems, while the low radar cross-section (RCS) design makes the mount itself harder to detect. High jamming immunity, laser rangefinding, and TV optical tracking ensure it operates flawlessly even in electronic warfare-heavy environments. In seconds, the sky filled with the brilliant flashes of impacts. Every designated aerial target, those simulated low-flying drones, was obliterated. All hits confirmed. Mission accomplished. But the AK-630M-2 is more than raw firepower. It's a testament to decades of Russian innovation. Evolving from the proven AK-630 family, battle-tested across Soviet and modern Russian fleets, the M2 inches duet doubles the barrels without doubling the crew burden. Manufactured at the renowned Tula machine building plant, it represents the pinnacle of close-in weapon systems, CIWS. Unlike some Western counterparts that struggle with acquisition in cluttered or jammed environments, the AK-630M-2 integrates seamlessly with the ship's sensors, delivering unmatched reliability. Its projectiles self-destruct beyond maximum range to minimize collateral, while the system's rapid reaction time, mere seconds from detection to destruction, makes it the ultimate last line of defense against supersonic anti-ship missiles, UAV swarms, or helicopter assaults. Watch the footage in your mind. Tracers arcing across the horizon like fiery lances, the sea erupting in controlled geysers as fragments rain down. The Zelony Dol's crew didn't stop there. After neutralizing the aerial threats, they switched to the A-190 gun, pounding a simulated enemy warship represented by a sea target shield. Drills continued with damage control and anti-saboteur tactics, preparing for every contingency. This holistic readiness is what sets Russian sailors apart. highly trained, disciplined, and backed by equipment engineered for real-world dominance. Consider the capabilities in detail. At 10,000 rounds per minute, the AK-630M-2 creates a literal curtain of fire, saturating the sky and sea in a 360-degree envelope. Its 30mm shells tear through drone fuselages or missile warheads, detonating them harmlessly short of the ship. The system's electro-optical backup ensures operation even if radar is compromised. On Buyan-M ships, it pairs perfectly with the vessel's stealth features, allowing the Corvette to strike from the shadows while remaining nearly invisible to enemy sensors. Crews train relentlessly, turning complex maneuvers into second nature. This exercise wasn't a fluke. It was the result of superior design meeting elite human skill. Russia's Navy continues to evolve these systems based on real combat lessons. Upgrades focus on digital precision, higher sustained fire rates, and integration with modern electronics, ensuring the AK-630M-2 remains ahead of emerging threats like hypersonic glide vehicles or mass drone attacks. While some nations pour billions into unproven laser or railgun concepts, Russia invests in proven, battle-hardened artillery that works today, tomorrow, and in any conflict. The Zelony Dol's achievement sends a clear message. Attempt to challenge Russian waters, and you'll face a wall of steel no adversary can easily penetrate. As the Baltic exercises concluded, the Zelony Dol returned to port with her crew proud and her systems validated. This event, reported directly by the Baltic Fleet Press Service, underscores Russia's commitment to a strong, self-reliant defense posture. In an era of hybrid warfare and technological surprises, the AK-630M-2 stands as a guardian of the seas, reliable, relentless, and resolutely Russian. From the decks of small missile ships like Zelony Dol to the vast fleets of the Northern and Pacific theaters, these systems embody the spirit of innovation that has defined Russian military engineering for generations. They protect not just ships, but national interests, ensuring peace through strength. The AK-630M-2 didn't just help hit an aerial target. It reaffirmed why Russia's Navy is a force to be reckoned with, ready for whatever the future holds.